In this video, I want to talk to you guys about 7 daily habits of every single wealthy person. Let's jump straight into it. Number 1, they win the morning. Every morning. Wealthy people protect their mornings for clarity, exercise, prayer, meditation, and strategic thinking, not chaos, news, or social media. They set the tone before the world distracts them. This is all the stuff that you do between opening your eyes and letting in the world, right? The goal is to fit as much as you can in that period of time, whether that's fitness, like I said, prayer, meditation, just thinking about the day, doing some deep work, stuff like that, before you start scrolling, before you start watching TV, before you start putting on Netflix and going and running errands and stuff like that. You gotta win your morning before the day wins you, right? Number 2, they track their money like a scoreboard. Every day they know where their money is going, what's flowing in, and what's growing. Wealthy people don't wonder about their finances. They measure and adjust daily. Their finances are almost like a calculated system. The finances, they know what's going in, they know what's coming out, they know exactly why this is going in and why this is coming out. Nothing is just kind of at random where they have $10 here going out, $15 here going out, $30 here going out. No, what's going in is going in for a reason, and what's coming out is going out for a reason as well. Number 3, they expand their mind daily. Books, podcasts, masterminds, mentors. Wealthy people feed their mind with information that multiplies income and opportunities. Learning is scheduled, not optional. You gotta turn on the good stuff and turn off the bad stuff. Books, audios, tapes, conferences, hiring a coach, a mentor, watching videos like these. This is stuff that you need to input into your mind in order to become the person that you want to become. What you put into your mind is what you'll become. That's why you have the same drama as your favorite TV shows. That's why you relate to it so much, is because that's all you watch. And so in turn, that's all you can produce. Right? Number 4, they move their body. Energy equals execution. Wealthy people exercise daily, even if it's just a walk, because they know health fuels decisions, resilience, and presence in business and in life in general. Right? You're not just doing this for money. Wealth isn't necessarily just a number that's in a bank account. Wealth is an all-around thing. It's about how you live your life. Wealth is a lifestyle. It's not just it's rich. That's why rich and wealthy aren't the same things. It's not just like this number that you get to where life just fixes itself. Like, you still have to work out. You still have to have good relationships with your family and your kids and your spouse. You still need to exercise and be healthy, so that way you didn't make all this money for no reason, right? Number 5, they build and protect relationships. Every day they send a message, make a call, or add value to someone in their network. They understand wealth flows through people, not just numbers. And I would say, honestly, everything should flow through people. And if it doesn't, it's a different topic. But at the end of the day, go out and show someone that you value them in your network. It can be a friend, it can be a coworker, it can be, a boss, it could be your family, it could be your wife, your kids, whoever. Find a way to add value to someone in or around your network, not just in order to receive something from them, right? There's always that part. Like, don't do this with intention to get something back. Just go out and give, right? What number am I on? Number 6, they prioritize their one money move. Each day they focus on a single activity that moves the wealth needle. Closing a deal, creating a revenue generating asset, investing, pitching, or delegating. One big move daily compounds into millions. You, as the leader or the owner, you want to be doing all the high leverage activities, right? When you do something, you want that to be the most productive thing that you can do. I do this because I'm like pulling a long lever, right? Where the people you hire should have shorter levers, right? You don't need to be making cold calls around the city to get new clients. No. That's not where you're spent most effectively. You need to hire someone to do that job. You need to be doing things that only you can do as a CEO, as a leader, as the person that moves forward in life. I'm the only person that can do these videos. I can hire an editor. I can hire someone to do thumbnails. I can hire someone to heck, write scripts if I needed scripts written. I can hire someone to do all the stuff, but this right here. This is my one money move that I do every single day, no matter what, right? Last but not least, number 7, they review and reset before bed. At night, they reflect what worked, what didn't, to what's tomorrow's focus. Wealthy people don't live on autopilot. They live in attention, adjusting daily to align with their long-term vision. Those are 7 daily habits that wealthy people do every single day. And if you want to be wealthy and you want to, create the life that you want, you're going to have to do the exact same thing. So hit the like button if you haven't already. Go ahead and comment below which one of those were your favorites, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.